सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदोस्तां हमारा हमारा।
Namaste everyone. I am Anand Raj of DUV Public School Maligat, Muzaffarpur, studying in class 10th, and I am going to introduce about my project based on art integrated learning with topic Mother Nature and with something glimpses of India. In this project, we correlate our state Bihar with Tripura and Mizoram in different aspects, and I am going to throw the light on the topic culture and heritage and the beauty of Mother Nature. Introduction. The nature gives us everything to sustain our life. It gives us food, shelter, clothes, etc. for making our work easier. The nature provides us many resources to make us happy like a mother. We make this project based on art integrated learning. In this project, we have included the beauty of Mother Nature. In this project, we correlate our state Bihar with Tripura and Mizoram, as we know that India is a very big and diverse country with many different types of culture and heritage. It is important to study the different parts of India to know the India very well. Glimpses of India. India is a very big and diverse country. Different parts of India have different types of culture, heritage and language. Instead of this, all the people of India live with peace and harmony with each other. Glimpses of India is so beautiful. Coorg. Coorg is a coffee country famous for its rainforest and spices. This land of rolling hills is inhabited by a proud race of martial men, beautiful women and wild creatures. Coorg. Coorgi homes have a tradition of hospitality and they are more than willing to recount numerous tales of valor related to their sons and fathers. Many people of Coorg are the ancestors of Arab. Correlating Mizoram and Tripura with Bihar in these aspects. These are the subtopics. Culture and heritage, then the beauty of Mother Nature. Arts of Bihar, Tripura and Mizoram. Drama, dress and food. Economy, landforms of Bihar, Tripura and Mizoram. Then tourist places and soul of Mother Nature. And reference. Culture and heritage. Culture and heritage of Bihar. Bihar is said to the necklace of Mother India. Bihar consists of 3 distinct regions. Each has its own distinct history and culture. They are Mithila, Magadh and Bhojpur. Famous festival of Bihar is Chhath Puja. You can see in the picture. Culture and heritage of Tripura. The Tripura kingdom at its peak included the whole eastern region of Bengal from the Brahmaputra in the north and west. This state merged with India on 9 September 1949, became Tripura. The culture of Tripura is similar to those of native indigenous tribal people of northeast India. You can see the image of culture of Tripura. Culture and heritage of Mizoram. The history of several ethnic groups of Chin people who migrated from Chin state of Burma. The Mizoram culture known as Mizo culture. The Mizo are a vibrant, highly cultured and sociable people. The famous festival of Mizoram are Chapchar-kut and Meme-kut. In this image, you can see the images of festival of Mizoram. And this is the first image of Khwalam dance, which is very famous in Mizoram. The beauty of Mother Nature. The beauty of Mother Nature is inexpressible in the words. Is anything have real beauty in this world? That is the beauty of Mother Nature. Mother Nature provides more than to everyone than anyone's expectations. The Kakulat waterfall of Bihar is like the Mother Nature vanishes our trust. But now, due to some people greed, the beauty of Mother Nature had been hurted. This is the time to save the Mother Nature as she nurtures us. In these images, you can see the beauty of Mother Nature.
Hello everyone, this is Aditi Singh of Standard 10 and I am here to represent my topic, that is the art, drama, dresses and foods of Bihar, Tripura and Mizoram. The art of Bihar, Tripura and Mizoram. Art washes away from the soul the dust of everyday life. Art is a diverse range of human activities in creating visual, auditory, or performing artifacts expressing the author's imaginative conceptual ideas or technical skill intended to be appreciated for their beauty or emotional power. Art of Bihar. The state of Bihar is rich in art and crafts, which is quite evident from the fact that it is home to some of India's first paintings, including the famous Madhubani paintings and the miniature paintings done on paper and leaves, wall decorations, patchworks, applique works, and local handicrafts. Art of Tripura. Handloom is the prime craft of Tripura. Intricately designed handlooms and silk, cane, and bamboo works are the main form of art and craft industries. The obvious feature of Tripura handloom is vertical and horizontal strips with distributed embroideries in multiple colors. Art of Mizoram. The popular art and crafts of Mizoram involves a significant sector of the industrial market of the state. The famous handicrafts of Mizoram are made with bamboo, textile, can work, and basketry. The women folk of this northeastern Indian state are associated with weaving. Culture is the arts elevated to a set of beliefs. Drama of Bihar, Tripura, and Mizoram. Drama is the specific mode of fiction represented in performance. In 1984, Satish Anand had evolved a new Videshi style for modern Indian theatre. The new style used elements of traditional folk theatre from indigenous Bihari culture. Tripura's theatre artists exist under new regime. It is rather difficult to know exactly when the Mizoram people started practicing folk theatre movement. Dresses of Bihar, Tripura, and Mizoram. The traditional dress of Bihari people consists of dhoti kurta for men and sari for women. Traditional costume for men in Tripura is a towel, which is known as Rikutu Gamcha with kuberi. One of the traditional attires worn by Mizoram women is the traditional dress called Pune. Foods of Bihar, Tripura, and Mizoram. Litti Chokha can be considered as a national dish of Bihar. Mui Borok is the traditional food of Tripura, and the staple food of most of the Mizoram people is rice.
Namaste everyone. I am Ankit Kumar from class 10J DA Public School Malighat Muzaffarpur. I am here to present you a comparison between Bihar, Mizoram and Tripura in aspect of landforms and economy.
Landforms of Mizoram, Tripura and Bihar. Landforms of Mizoram. Mizoram is a land of rolling hills, valleys, rivers and lakes in northeast India. As many as 21 major hill ranges or peak of different height run through the length and breadth of the state with plain scattered here and there. The average height of the hill to the west of the state are about 1000 meters. This gradually rises up to 1300 meters to the east. Some rivers of Mizoram are Chimtupui, Talwang, Jat, Serloi, etc. Some lakes of Mizoram are Palak Lake, Tamdil, Rehdil. Some major waterfalls of Mizoram are Vantavang Falls and Tirihu Fall. Land use pattern in Mizoram. 76% of land are under forest, 8% of land are fallow, 3% of land are barren, 13% of land are used as agricultural land. Landforms of Tripura. Tripura is a state of Northeast India. It is third smallest state spread over 10,491.69 km square. It shares its boundary with Bangladesh in west, north and south, and Assam in the northeast and Mizoram in the east. Some hill ranges in Tripura are Boromura, Atharamura, Lonthari, Sangkhan and Jampui hills. Some rivers of Tripura are Khowai, Dhalai, Manu, Juri and Lungai. Landforms of Bihar. Bihar is a state in eastern India. It is 12th largest state spread over 94,163 km square. Bihar has an average elevation of 173 feet above sea level. Landforms of Bihar is dominated by vast stretched fertile plain which is divided unevenly by Ganga river. The central part of Bihar has some small hills such as Rajgir hills. Tributaries of Ganga in Bihar are Gandak, Kosi, Bagmati, Son, Budi Gandak, etc.
Economy of Mizoram, Tripura and Bihar. GSDP of Mizoram. It was about 500 million rupees in 1980. It grew up to about 1500 million rupees in 1985. In 1990, it increased to 3000 million rupees. It grew rapidly after 1990 and reached about 8500 million rupees in 1995. Till 2000, it reached about 17,000 million rupees. GSDP of Tripura. It was about 84,000 million rupees in 2004. It grew up to about 88,000 million rupees in 2005. It reached about 98,000 million rupees in 2006. It crossed 100 million rupees in 2008. Till 2010, it was about 123,000 million rupees. GSDP of Bihar. It was about 76,000 in 1980. It increased to 260,000 million rupees in 1990. It reached 475,000 million rupees in 2000. Till 2008, it was 565,000 million rupees.
Myself, Rona Kumari, I read in class 10J. My first topic is tourist place of Mizoram, Tripura and Bihar, and second topic is soul of Mother Nature. My topic is tourist place of Mizoram. My first topic is tourist place of Mizoram is Lungeli, best place to relax and unwind. We are looking for a place to relax and unwind. This is one of the most breathtaking Mizoram destination that deserve your attention and time. It is lovely landscape and the scene setting makes it is one of the top places to see in Mizoram. There are rock-like bridges. My topic is tourist place of Mizoram. My first topic is tourist place of Mizoram is Lungeli, best place to relax and unwind. We are looking for a place to relax and unwind. This is one of the most breathtaking Mizoram destination that deserve your attention and time. It is lovely landscape and the scene setting makes it is one of the top places to see in Mizoram. There are rock-like bridges. My topic is tourist place of Mizoram. My first topic is tourist place of Mizoram is Lungeli, best place to relax and unwind. We are looking for a place to relax and unwind. This is one of the most breathtaking Mizoram destination that deserve your attention.
The soul of Mother Nature. The soul of Mother Nature. The Mother Nature provides us enough resources that we can sustain our life easily. Mother Nature also provides us the petroleum, coal, fossil fuels, etc. We are taking resources from the nature. But what we give the nature back? We are just exploiting the Mother Nature. Due to some people's greed, the Mother Nature had been hurted. The process of deforestation increased a lot in the last decade. Our Mother Nature is weeping. It's our humble request, please don't exploit natural resources and save our Mother Nature because our Mother Nature is weeping. Save our earth because the earth is our only home. One man, one tree. You can see the image here. Save Mother Nature to save your life and save environment. References: First Flight English book Glimpses of India and Environmental Studies. Thanks for watching this video. Vande Matram, Bharat Mata ki Jai.